Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. In this video, I'll show you how can you contact Shopify support. So follow up with me in this video till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, we need to go ahead and open your browser. So open any browser you want and go to shopify.com. You don't need to be logged into your account, but that is kind of better to do. If you tap right in the top right corner, you can enable the desktop site, and that is how I'm going to be using it for this video. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Help Center. From the Help Center, you can go ahead and chat with the assistant or the virtual assistant right here. You can start chatting with her. It might solve your problem or it might redirect you to a real agent. So right here in the bottom, you can go ahead and type in your concern and your issues, and it can try to solve your problems or refer you to a real agent. If it doesn't refer you to a real agent, you can still contact them directly by going to your Gmail app and tap on Compose in the bottom right corner. And right here, you should send the message or the concern to support@shopify.com and go ahead and describe your issue for them, and they should get back to you in 24 to 48 hours. And that is basically it for this video, guys. If it was useful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.